One of social credit's principles is that systems should be made for people, not people forced to fit systems. And one of the most important systems we use is the monetary system. The present monetary system does not work for people or for the planet. Poverty and environmental destruction is clear proof of that. Banks do not lend out money that people have deposited with them. That's contrary to what most people think, but numerous authorities confirm this is true. The Bank of England, for example, on its website says this: banks do not act simply as intermediaries lending out deposits that savers place with them. Instead, banks are able to create new digital money, as if by magic, which they credit to borrowers' accounts as loans. They spend it when they buy things like cars, houses and furniture. So the money is spent into the economy by borrowers and ends up as a deposit in someone else's account. Because the nation's money is borrowed, we pay interest on all of it, hospitals, motorways and other infrastructure too. The banks made a net 11 billion by creating our money. Much of their profit went offshore. So as we try to improve our lives and our country, our debt grows and grows, which leaves us with unrepayable debt owing to the banks. That results in people and businesses continually having to grow income just to pay the debt and interest. And that continual growth puts pressure on the environment and on people who end up working longer hours to pay their debt. Currently, our government is limited in what it can spend on people and the country by money it gets from taxpayers or money it borrows from banks, financial institutions and investors. However, a social credit government will return the right to create the nation's money to the Reserve Bank. So that the government will get first use of that new money without interest and at no cost to taxpayers, and we'll use it to reclaim our future. With social credit, over the past 20 years, over $300 billion could have been spent doing lots more things to benefit Kiwis. Everyone would have a warm, dry house, all Kiwis would be living above the poverty line, and we'd have a clean, healthy environment. The only way to achieve this for the future is to return the right to create the nation's money to the Reserve Bank where it belongs. Social Credit is the only party committed to doing that, so we can do lots more things for Kiwis. To support Social Credit or to find out more, go to our website www.socialcredit.nz.